Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Sanzy. Today's episode is a little special. Imagine a calm evening, soft music, and two people sitting together sharing a quiet moment. This is how real English conversations happen in real life. Let's begin today's romantic daily conversation. It's such a peaceful evening, Emma. I'm really happy to sit here with you.
Me too, Alex. This place feels calm, and your company makes it even better.
That's really sweet of you. How was your day?
It was busy, but talking to you makes me forget all the stress.
You look very relaxed today. Did you do something special?
Yes, I took some time for myself. I believe small moments make life beautiful.
I completely agree. Spending time with the right person changes everything.
That's true. A good conversation can turn an ordinary day into something special.
What makes you feel happy after a long day?
A warm coffee, soft music, and someone who listens carefully.
I'm glad I can be that person today. Do you believe in love at first conversation?
Maybe not love, but a strong connection, yes.
I feel conversations show who we really are.
That's why I feel comfortable talking to you. It feels natural.
Comfort like this is rare.
And when you find it, you should never ignore it.
If you could describe today in one word, what would it be?
Peaceful.
For me, it's memorable.
I hope we have many more moments like this.
I'd really like that. Friends, notice how simple English sentences can sound romantic and meaningful. English is not about difficult words. It's about expressing feelings naturally. Thank you for spending this beautiful moment with us.
Keep practicing English and keep expressing yourself.
If you enjoyed this romantic conversation, please like, share, and subscribe to English with Sanzy. See you in the next episode. Bye.